Don't look bad. That's very something. Yes, sir.
No, me I say your chicken is soft.
Tomorrow they might don't rust, man.
Mama tell you for the Asian. you want to hear again?
Yeah.
The definition?
Yeah.
You for the Asian.
Brother, you say if you cook and you cook curry goat,
Yeah.
goat,
Yeah.
then I give me none of my mix.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah. Nice.
It's good to be here, man.
All have sinned
Yeah.
and come short of the glory of God.
So why you never pray? Yeah, because that we can't talk. You wash off your hand and things out.
Oh.
Every soup not rich.
Yeah.
But that belly there, that belly there.
Which belly? That belly, yeah. That belly, yeah.
Yo, me don't want that.
So Rasta, you deal it today now.
Right now, I want to come to deal with
I know fiddly.
Not no go so.
Not no go,
What
sir.
job for loads?
Me?
Yeah.
Say, I know curry goat the vex over.
Yeah.
$5,000 me have to lose.
Alright.
Bet it up now. Come. Come, put it
Alright.
up on the carrier, sir.
Yeah.
This is how you think as you want to hear the real thing.
Yeah.
Sir. Come now. See, I run.
I don't know, man.
See, I run, man. I'm done to the sound of that little race.
So Rasta.
Make it on ready.
I walk up to the yard, Alvi.
Make it on ready. You actually, you want the bus out? And that's Tasha. Tell it to you. You want the bus out? You think you're easy? Like that. Come on, skip market. What can you do on the corner?
Somebody have to come down to
Well, I know. Me have come down to the hotel. You see what me have on? Red. Red means danger. I have on it too.
That's money too.
That's a two.
Yeah,
Well, you have on it. And you can't fit in here, so now with the green.
Me?
Yeah.
That's red, green and gold.
Yeah. So Rasta no work now going to Labor Day today?
You mean to be done now about a door this already? You know what? You're coming late.
Yeah.
Alright, me now do no.
They out on the front of the little Labor, you know?
Them.
Yeah, man. I put it active outside. But
Leave that there, son.
believe it or
Yeah,
not,
yeah.
me not go
You
cook
put the
today.
bike out of your
Who says so? Who says so?
But you know, me best like Rasta today.
You do what?
Me begs like Rasta. And me
Why?
never know see a man could have hold a beg over a curry goat.
I don't know curry goat.
She still going back to that, man. I fiddly.
Martin, some man love pressure people for talking. So watch out. So me I do the same thing more I know.
No, man, you have to load that, man.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
go blow that one.
Yeah.
Load that, brother. Make it deal with this today. Can you see today?
That's all before it rain.
Is it today?
Yes, before today done me I know. So
Yeah, you
Oh,
want a ticket today?
ticket.
Ticket. You know, like you get eggs and you get ticket. What you say? What you want today?
At least we are dealing today.
That.
Yeah.
You have a roast it?
A white heart or yellow heart, that.
Ah, do you hear me I say?
Yeah.
I tell the back of the camera. What me I put him in place now.
Oh,
Then say, phone up pick up one over your yard.
yeah.
And uno I say me the back of God and me more connected than uno.
When? Hey, Dalvi, when we come link, you know.
You on your bed and you need to call God and you can't call
No, we not have to use phone for call God, Dalvi.
What you mean? What you
We
mean?
just close the eyes
When we
and say our prayer.
when we call
I
link,
tell
you
you
know.
see a boat, me not talk, that's his phone.
Yeah.
When me almost reach back and above me, me get me
Yeah, Rasta them fire stick, him a chop good.
One that again, see you. Me tell you say that no pick up there no not that.
What kind of phone you pick up there? Eh?
Rasta,
Eh?
no phone to pick up a Portland, you know.
Talk that rubbish.
Snatch your phone, did pick up.
Yeah.
Oh.
You believe him? No phone.
Alright.
Pick up. Hey, you. Oh, you mean?
So Dalvi, what you say you do now? The curry coconut chicken, right?
Me never promise you that.
Alright, let's go fish.
Or the fish you take on?
No, me not deal with the fish business.
The swim away.
No, you not deal with him away. But me gotta catch you fire.
You can't do that? Remember they say who can catch it what me, no man.
Well, you can't catch it a bush, believe
Yeah.
a bush. So me must hit a bush one time.
Yeah. You know that how you just hold on?
You do that
Oh,
regular.
you know I'm going.
No, I not do that regular, but we
Because
know
when they
about
da
it.
bush go, I was fire you shit a bush.
What should do Rasta?
Move from here, so me not shit a bush.
That you do.
Watch out.
Regular.
Yo, you never do that one time yet.
No, you know, yeah, me just confirm.
So me ask you something, Michael. You ever shit a bush yet?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean, yo, it come to me already.
Yeah. So me ask you something now. When you shit a bush, where you use wipe all?
Yo, I always have tissue.
Eh?
In my pocket. Ever. And I left that.
Hold on.
Jaja.
Always have teacher if you have a shit a bush.
No, sometimes I have tissue for wipe my face.
But man, no fear you have
Yo,
our tissue.
listen, sometimes I don't have my face rag. So by you leaving the house, I take a piece of tissue.
Alright, so you have a piece of tissue in your pocket.
No, I have my kerchief now.
So if that take your bush, then you use a kerchief.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that because
You have
it's
a
cheap.
big kerchief after.
Huh? That's what?
That's sure.
Yeah, what me gonna do? What me gonna do?
Rings it out like nappy.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, man.
Yo,
You have to carry with you, man.
can't do what I'm gonna
But the kerchief not gonna rock now.
Oh, you mix with the sniper.
I know me make
Oh, you mean that you see I look on the pot and then the skinny take over and take in sniper. How could I cause that?
If you notice me, when them put on the pot, me say put it down good. When me look, me say that's where you put it. By the time me turn around and look.
So me ask you something now. So Dalvin, me ask you something now. I prefer the pot did stay right there, so you want to get me stepping night.
Why not? I'm
So we not get no feet up.
Eh?
No.
Dalvin say you could come back over.
You won't even want to ransom.
Yo,
I don't want it.
Rasta me out there, go out there. Nice like a real ram.
Oh, yeah, I like it, you know?
And I see them board out on a town, but no, I beer them and they
Yes.
can out there also, the original pitch pipe make out, so they cannot rotten.
You say Chichi can't take up them there, Rasta.
So that's why them blaze at town, so fire brigade can't hold that.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that.
What you say? Anywhere you go,
The things have to change.
different name.
Different name, because I have to put in my name when me like. Me not
Yeah.
pick for them
Oh,
name
so
them
you
like.
just a dustify, you know?
Yeah, dustify. Me not run no dust.
Oh, no, 2 years.
What you say?
Never
Shake
dust.
shake the dust, shake the shirt, sure.
No dust. Just normal Jamaica green and yellow.
Yeah.
Fit there. Up and running.
Alright,
Fish pipe and the one
see
that-
there guys.
The place.
Fire be blaze.
Fit there.
Yeah man, snatcher this are going easy. Michael are easy.
That me just tell him say I'm
You
happy.
know, Rasta?
Doggy man. Eh?
Rasta, if I am one time, you have to just hear what me and
Let me
say.
not go hear you, Michael.
Alright, let me say something to you.
Yeah.
You call a name a while ago, right?
Yeah.
But basically, me not go work with that because me can't find a place there where you call.
Yeah.
But me can find, me can find Black Hill.
Black Hill?
Yeah.
Which one Black Hill?
You're
Which
on
one
your
I heal
way.
them? Which one
Yeah.
I heal them not Jamaica black?
What say Rasta?
Which one of the hill them
No,
you say
but
in
what you come
Jamaica
back here,
black?
so you come back here, so.
Yeah, me not- me not- me not
Well,
right-
no,
right
no.
one.
So which one I be them in a Jamaica black then, if
Eh?
you are going to say
The
that?
beer?
Yeah, which
Yeah.
beer black?
Yeah, Santa Cruz say down there black.
Black how?
Go down there and see people them black off the road. People them black the road.
Yeah, I'm black, black.
A black, he black.
That's when we are say Black Hill.
Yeah.
But what we say, which one I place them black?
Yeah.
All I road them where you drive come company are black.
Yeah.
No white.
So
Yeah.
we say that.
How
So
many
we
white
are
you see night? I line with them put 9 niggas.
And somebody tell you robot.
That's why I tell you, robot.
But Rasta, we still tell us that there is a place called Black Hill.
Black Hill.
Yeah.
So we have to Black River. Oh, so no, so down the black so.
No, but we're not
Oh, you say
talking
we
about
start else black, so we have to Black River. And I use it stick in a fire, so.
That's
Triple
it.
hood me put in a fire.
Stick.
Me have them over country. Chop wood over there.
Oh, yeah,
Chopstick,
me,
chopstick,
chop wood, yes, man.
chopstick.
Yo, see Martel, you know what you video, see Martel.
What that? You see that? Nearly fly in your face a while ago.
China.
And so Martel, see over there.
To them, I still might tell you, so I'm cool.
Anyways, you had a little bit fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, Rasta, I art that.
No.
Yeah, they don't know it. I just
Stem that.
Stem that.
So a yellow heart or white heart breadfruit is Rasta.
It look like a yellow.
Mm.
Are you lot, man?
Yeah.
Done.
Ready.
All them breadfruit are in a Rasta when them done roasting and you don't need to fry them. You know.
I will tell them I fry. But you can't just roast breadfruit and fry it. But think of overnight.
No, man, then.
Nah, go get crispy.
Like you had white, sir.
Yes, a white heart, though, Dalvin.
I want a white.
Oh, one yellow and one white.
So I know it's a know breadfruit, you know.
And I bring them
No, I don't bring them.
You know what juicy sell with them?
this morning. One can roast.
Thank you, Ross.
You can't roast, man.
All right. Yeah.
Yo, just come on, man. Make me still know what you say. I mean, I have them breadfruit there.
I don't know. You can't take that.
Yeah. Roast breadfruit.
You take that.
Roast breadfruit.
Put your deal on the fire.
Roast or fry.
Hold on.
Rasta, man, you burn up your finger.
Yeah, man. I put the time away there, man.
You not burn up no finger.
Dalvi,
Yeah.
where you say should happen to your
Then no
breadfruit?
board you already cherry. And me slice it
No,
up by
no,
it
me I
like
say,
so.
alright, since they must say white heart breadfruit, which me don't know much about white heart
Push two more knives
breadfruit.
tonight.
People don't really roast
They're pushing that
white
right
heart
on the
breadfruit.
knife.
So me I say,
not that so.
no.
Me push a knife now middle already cherry. Now
Voilà.
Why you know?
I never did this so you have to push it in the art.
go through that already. And I need to board again.
Them are roast, man.
So you me ask.
Mr. Roast and breadfruit and that and me roast.
So based upon what you say about you never roast a white breadfruit yet?
Most, but me no, I mean, me no, we don't say no.
Me no know. Tell
Yeah, talk what you
I
say.
want to hear your opinion.
Hold on. Me not really specialize in roasting breadfruit. Me just roast breadfruit. So me no, you know matter if a yellow heart or a white heart. Yeah, Portland me live.
And you don't know white heart breadfruit?
Yeah, me know then me first identify and I say it look like a white heart when me see it closer.
When you see closer, what go on?
Me see a white heart, white.
You say you can't know the breadfruit from me.
Which bar, Rasta?
Outside.
Outside.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can know it
yeah,
from.
but-
Like say yellow hard breadfruit outside, so them place are wider.
Well, as me say, me not
Always,
really
as I go, so
go
make you
in
small
depth
pan the
much,
tree.
but
Mm-hmm.
When you
Wider.
dig out the heart, there so now, it's them, me see. See how
Well,
that-
You see,
well,
you-
me learn
based
something
upon
today.
you, Now I'm gonna tell you something. This way you tell me, you know.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie, you still.
yeah,
I'm going to give you a 50 for this. Because you see when you don't know something,
yeah,
it's a hell of a thing.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah
So
man.
we are trying to know.
Listen, man.
No,
You
man.
don't know a thing about white heart breadfruit.
So when me just
You see,
You know about. You
So
know.
what I understand.
Where's the Rasta? Dalvi don't know.
Make myself very clear.
clear. Oh,
Yes, I
yeah,
didn't
that's
say-
why I say. Me
No.
give you a 50 and
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
And yo,
Alright,
just take
alright.
that.
Respect
Yeah,
50.
yeah.
But no, but when you're going to use this slang for me now and I say that elephant thing.
You must be
So
a-
Rasta, Dalvi did know. Dalvi did know about breadfruit. Dalvi did know.
You never know until you never know until you look about it. I mean, tell him say one
Alright.
look like yellow and one look
Alright,
like
alright.
You see, well, I know. You see, honest.
Rasta,
To be
yeah,
honest
sir.
with me, you know,
Tell them if I-
me I gonna tell you something now.
And this,
Yeah,
You see, based upon when Miss Cherry tell we,
yeah.
me not gonna lie.
I
learn something about this. You see the breadfruit like how it stays now, me look upon it definitely. So when time I get a yellow heart breadfruit now,
You know.
me I gonna know the difference.
Cause Michael, me not lie. I told them you learn this.
I learn, me just learn, I know when she say it. You
Yeah,
know.
man.
I learn, me just learn, but through
why I
me
think it
only
look
know
like
when
you
you
wet.
dig out up there so go so alone, me know, but
Yeah.
I just say
Me learn that now, man. Me learn-
every day I learn, you know.
Bring up that thing and go for you.
Oh my.
Yeah. Nice.
It's good to be here, man.
You know, like-
We can't get that.
Yes, and a jelly tree in that them place.
We can't want them there, see me can plant it and
Yo.
see me can start a thing, you know?
Yo.
And not a big still, we not lie.
Yeah.
It's sweet too.
Yeah, see this? Breadfruit a catch color though.
Flesh. Nice piece of jelly.
Yeah.
Man. Only in Jamaica, boy. I can't get anything in England, huh?
Should I just package up this and carry it to you?
Mm-mm.
Yo,
Yeah.
little as it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Rasta, you believe what they say? So when people drink jelly, right?
Wash off
It wash off hard. Something got so?
Yeah, special water.
You feel so for real?
Yeah, man, that's special.
Hold on, Dalvi, what you feel?
Special water.
Watch out.
Can't doubt.
Why?
That's why they say, you see some man where about them drink white rum
Watch
and
her sweat
water,
there.
no good for you.
So you say Rasta, something got so for real?
Yeah, because Dalby can't talk. He wash off his heart and he couldn't talk.
Oh.
Couldn't talk a while
Yes,
ago.
Rasta.
Couldn't talk a while
Why?
ago. Then me talk a while ago, now vomit. Remember me tell you
Yes, I
that.
have to wash off
Yeah,
entirely.
see there? Me tonight. You have to wash off.
Yeah.
Right now, unit system.
Right now,
Yeah.
immune system that one there go.
Yeah.
Like he come and say, in a immune system weak.
Yeah.
So that one, you know, clean him up. Make him get sturdy. All right. Alright, it's your day,
So Rasta, where you say newspaper for?
Two only breadfruit, that's it. To turn it now.
Oh,
Now
oh.
open the sauce so hard,
A
man.
true man. Wow, pretty, you know you? Pretty, you know Rasta?
Right here, see them?
Pretty. Alright, the Trenton.
You know where this one now? The fish we steam on a river.
The fish head there.
Yeah.
But Rasta, we try to get some. Or they must be a small one.
With the breadfruit.
Where you say, hold on, I come to you. Where you say you want, Rasta? Why you get a piece here? Where you say you want?
Curry goat, I say man with a one for gravy, brother.
Eh?
Brother, you see if you cook and you cook curry goat,
Yeah.
lamb goat,
Yeah.
then I give me none of my bakes with you.
Eh?
Watch
Watch right. Hold on.
Watch it. Yo,
Yeah.
I got set me here already, you see?
Yeah.
And I got one funeral. So I tell Jagger, Jagger, go and line up my curry goat and chicken.
Yeah.
So chicken are running and then chicken to stop running and be a curry goat and so Rasta man round me, brother.
Yeah.
So when they come, you know say my thing gonna load up. Rasta they not take no food. Brother, I say when my food come so.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna roll so and the girl so. Then when Rasta man have curry goat, me see me just put some and half brother.
Where you
See
say,
them a watching them, brother.
where you say Rasta? Every Rasta have a curry goat at tear down.
I meet me say they never me that take none.
Yeah.
Children don't see me not take.
Eh.
None send for my.
Oh, so they take you go take now. Then get brave.
Me say my Rasta and I'm curry goat.
Yo,
Yeah.
yo, nothing wrong with that.
Yo, nah, yeah.
Curry goat, man. I love curry goat.
Bad, you know? Bad. Yeah. Yeah. But they're not trouble the pork, though.
Nah, man. Me have a run joke on that.
But
man.
they're not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Run
But
joke with my friend them and like everything. Yeah.
but they're not on them outside where they meet.
Brother, when me and you wait for put me journey, my brother.
Yeah.
Since me turn big man and put on me not here, me I say, yo, you know, I look good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't check.
True. Different levity, though.
But this is the curry goat.
Yeah.
If you're cooking and I give me on my bake, me share to you, brother.
Yeah.
Me eat you for life.
So,
Only
Mike.
for gravy, me want to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only for gravy. Only sexy and joke.
Yeah.
Let me ask you.
I'm say a grunt.
Grunt. My grunt now?
You know, you're just nice. All right. Listen.
Fish can grunt, brother.
Which man can grunt?
No, you're nice. I guess.
And one thing grunt and I devil. I
Alright,
don't want
I
him
will
here,
not
so.
deal with that guy.
I mean, he can't come here, so. No time at all.
Yeah. You hear him grunt? Oh.
Yes, man. I died with grunt a while ago.
Yeah.
No, boy, you can't see that because you're saying thing run tight devil, so me no know.
Like him try to say, hey, devil then.
Me not say.
See, our next one there say same
Oh,
thing.
what him say?
But the tissue.
Boy, you bush thing.
Look.
Look,
So we walk in that for Rasta.
Oh, you know me want to go shit, brother. Jumping on bush, man.
Eh.
We just wait.
Eh. Yeah.
I mean, man, yeah.
That's sweet, you Michael.
I know, but no, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You ever in a position yet where bad man you use the bike in your yard, you know. But and me I tell you say
Man, say, touch your road.
touch the road. And me I
Wait,
tell
hold on. Where you say, Snatcher? You do it too.
Where I say? But I thought you left your yard good, man. By the time you drive out, man.
Yeah.
yeah, man,
This
so you
answer
there.
rather, man. You have to just pull over, man.
Yeah, man. What's
Yeah,
again, yo?
So, where's the Martin?
Yeah.
Shit a bush.
No, I never do it yet.
You never shit a bush yet?
Eh.
Brother.
Yo,
Regular me have
Brother,
a skater and
brother.
people flower spot and
Yeah. Yes, I'll flower spot get it. A manure.
me have a shit up myself.
Yo.
When inside of me want come out, me have to let it out. Me can't hold it.
Yeah, yeah, big man thing still enough.
Yeah.
No, gonna lie, you know, brother. Me I tell you, say, what's again if you go drink all, touch all the milk when you know if you touch the milk.
Yeah, man.
And me I tell you,
Me
say,
love
yo,
milk,
it's
you
start,
not get rice,
alright.
you say, "Mama, milk."
And it start, goes and work, pan you see where you're there? Yo, me I tell you, say, if you sit down, around the steering, brother, one look move, you move.
I don't want to come out. British.
Cut all the fat.
No, don't put
Yes.
on.
Where's the Rasta?
Don't put on. If I come there, I forgot one river, I go wash out the underpants and then sit there.
Yeah, like a nappy.
Oh,
Brother, me I tell you, me not lie.
Yeah.
Brother, me I tell you, say, brother,
It's the
the
American
shit a bush,
curry.
brother.
Mhm.
I mean, a boy, I always have tissue.
So wait then, no.
No.
Yeah.
Me I'm a
What you say now, Dalvy?
It's a banana, them.
You ever do what them do?
Yo, look.
Like me never.
The outside bathroom business, them I say.
Them no bush.
Bush side.
So we respect.
We just want to know. We just want to know.
Yo,
Hold on. Catch him again.
more why me I tell you,
Yeah.
more why me not gonna tell you. You see me then near where this there?
Yeah.
Them gonna use this.
Yeah.
Me not tell
Then
you,
suppose they go find find answer in there, pan. How you manage?
I say, me nah check pan that. Me just know some more wipe my bottom. Yeah. Yeah, me nah lie.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know. Two of me I tell you, so me deal with me thing, brother. Me have on my socks and take it off, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
man.
use the socks.
Eh? Me use my socks, man.
Eh.
That's that, brother.
So Rasta, you agree with them, I say?
Brother, always I say when I go through G.
Yeah,
man, regular man. My pants pocket, me cut out that, brother.
Yeah.
Pretty boy thing, brother. We
Take
do
a watch
it,
it,
brother.
watch it. So we're inside of you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
man.
can't show man that one come out.
Yeah.
You can't hold it up back in the brother.
Yeah. Have to come
So
out.
you shoot up yourself and make people laugh off of you.
Yeah.
That nah go look good.
I show.
You understand? Don't do it for make some go inside the car and come to
Yeah.
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 Oh,
You know, you know, Bex, if it should have happened, can you use that for sir?
Yeah, Rasta. Oh, swim away time, though.
That me do that whole part time.
Shit a bush business, though. Ah.
Keep up the people long.
But it's bad for your blood, that thing, you know.
Right not to reach me.
Yeah, man, it mash you up, man.
Me a lag a town.
Yeah.
When we real a town.
Yeah.
Before me tap. Me not tap nowhere. Because when you look, you can't, you know, see no space where you just can't pull over.
Rasta, you know, say it's illegal if it does.
Go tap and block.
There you get charged for it.
Yeah.
So you fish them, go and they look good, though. I could.
I steam them, man.
Steam?
Yeah, man, them I can't do no cover.
You think we could just bust them as well, enough, how we? Bust them at one, escovitch them down. Because we bring all some of prevent and anything that face escovitch them
Just
down.
like with the pumpkin and thing, every man get, where forget.
But remember, no, me not bring a pumpkin in there, Rasta.
Eh? Pumpkin good idea. Yeah.
We do what you say, no
So that's where you feel, and feel escovitch it face escovitch down.
Pumpkin.
And then the Kumaga fish shaking off your school.
Go have the pot to say on the pumpkin.
I swim away, yeah.
Yeah,
Swim away.
Let me tell you this, Martin.
Yeah.
There are
Me,
pumpkin there.
hear you.
Yeah.
I tell Fiddly, say, I fish of it.
Yeah,
Yes,
man, that's what
Fiddly.
we want to cut up already.
Yeah. See this? Breadfruit. Boy, Dalvey. Breadfruit and real cut, come on for real, you know.
You never have faith in nothing yet, you know. And that with you.
The breadfruit up and running, that's that.
Breadfruit up and running. You go see, you go taste all the rank.
Here you are. Rasta, here you are. Here you are.
You fi pay a bill. Any bill fi pay.
Yeah.
A Martin fi pay. Not true.
Ah, where's the Rasta? Tell him where go on.
Brother, you pay your 5 grand.
Alright,
I wasn't
alright.
there, but I see.
Alright,
You pay your 5 grand.
alright. Alright.
I pay your 5 grand.
So what?
Alright.
Talk. I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
talk.
You don't pay
I
your
did it.
Yeah. Michael, you sit down, Joe, say hungry now.
So when you pay him 5 grand up, for the curry goat, you just a cook or what?
Yeah.
So, he didn't make a bet for say, if he give me 10 out of 10,
Yeah.
he might give me 5 grand.
10 out of 10 for the goat you cook.
Yeah, for the
So
goat.
hold on there.
And the first I say you have to cook.
Yeah, first me that cookie for you.
When I realize
You're sure, Dalvin? Dalvin, look like your man say first, because you're lying, man. Say God no.
This man a force me.
Listen to me, man. Say God no.
No, you are going on.
Sister,
You are going with the God no thing.
Right.
Yes, yes, Selassie don't know what
Hold
I'm
on, hold on,
The Almighty don't know.
Hold on. Remember when you go say if me a cook, I'm going to
Remember God church, Rasta tell you already.
I'm going to say God no, and me and a cook for you.
Yeah.
So me no want to say God no.
Oh, for who knows, say boy, I regularly cook this.
Imagine.
Oh, me just, alright, Dalvin, alright.
No, man, she said the first time she a
The
cook.
first time we are cooking.
the first time you cook it,
Yeah,
you nah lie.
yeah.
Honest to God, you get more than the amount.
You taste it?
I lie.
No, I don't taste it, you know. You say,
British
based upon them, what them say,
Yeah,
all him,
yeah.
All who?
gone with it.
Yeah, because
You know what I'm saying, right?
the man said
Yeah.
You said that? You said what?
I said yes, darling. Can I call it?
Yo, sister, you see, first time I say cook, I watch it here, you know.
Yeah,
Upon the apps, me I watch it.
yeah.
When I go kick over the pot, they say, me did them a war for my curry goat, God. War I curry goat,
Yeah,
man.
man, I really think, man. So I'm not run joking food, you know. Because you
I
say,
say, why they couldn't kick over the rice?
what I meat pot on the kick
You
over.
want to kick over your meat pot.
Brother,
The
yo,
curry
you see
goat pot,
you see the food pot?
Yeah.
That can go and come, can buy a bread.
Match
up the around here. Yeah.
But on the
Yeah.
meat pot, God.
Yo,
Let's go.
kick over my food pot, but you see meat pot? Me not run joke,
No,
man.
no joke with the meat.
Yo,
And the gravy.
hey,
Yeah, man, give me
you
the
ever
food,
see, Man cook food and when him done cook it, and the man say, yo, you know what's hungry meat left? I'm going to the shop and buy a shorty bread.
Yeah.
And the man I say, we have to carry down this, and I say, yo, nobody now yet. You see
Why
me
not?
done? Throw the bread soft.
Yeah.
So now me done. The man I say, where I put the bread there. Me say, yo, me no move from your stand like a, you know what I
I
say?
ain't have nothing in your pocket.
Me no, yeah. Which part me there? Me no chew away none, no dog, no there.
So you put the bread. Where did you do the bread?
Inside of me.
Why? Why?
Why?
Why?
Where put the bread?
Me eat it.
Why?
So, you know, and I,
Yo, I bought them breadfruit and a snatcher.
Then turn the breadfruit, them snatch and turn the breadfruit. Them.
Let me see them. I read through to Dalvia talk about. Tomorrow they might done roast, man.
You know, yes, yeah.
Tomorrow for them done.
Yeah. You don't feel so rasta?
No, sir.
Mm.
Breadfruit they almost roast already.
Yeah, man. So when you done rub on some season, rasta, me check in back. Oh. So rasta, what really happened to Fiddly today?
I couldn't tell you.
Yeah, no,
I got
boy.
up on the road yesterday.
Yesterday? No, I never forward. I mean, I snatch all one go St. Mary.
I never found it.
Eh? Boy, from me see you no come by front, me know you're busy over here, you know.
Come on the front, you know.
Early?
Yeah, and come back over.
4 hours.
Come on the front and come and play for them. Come back, go mash up a work.
I mean, I tell you, Rasta, you see up a... What place name, Snatcher? You see up a Strawberry Field, Rasta? You'd love it, you know. A whole heap of Rasta there and some pure, also some cabin there nice. Oh, I rent even a cabin for weekend.
Oh.
Oh, your shot so nice, log up there, you know. That time if mama go make you forward.
You can't have something from good.
Yeah, man. I say, come down. Yo, you say your son come up back nice, Rasta? So leave it.
One of the curry chicken.
Yeah. Curry coat not me there, Dalvia say.
Pick one coat.
Yeah, and tread him out quick. Great, I mean, man. Me great, I quick and fast, if anything, man.
Fish too.
Irish down there.
One Irish that there.
Mm-hmm.
One
Yes, it's the real local Irish as well.
this is Jamaican Irish.
Yeah, you know, I don't like the imported one.
The imported one, they not taste good like this.
And you know, have a firmness like food and them.
Solid.
Mm. Yeah, man. Snatcher right now still, no? And you should I give you something for your last day, you know? What me say, Rasta? Make me say, yeah. Yeah.
Make him
Yeah.
enjoy himself and him do enough already. So
Yes, saying go on good.
yeah, we have to make him fulfill.
Yeah.
Make him fulfill the last look and
Yeah.
take in and then he does.
All this right now, I get a smell, you know. Why
Yeah.
I smell?
Yeah. John Noah.
I'm going to leave it there now, you know.
No worries, I'm going to send you a little video. Yeah. See what I go on.
Sniff it.
Yeah, go and sniff it.
Put your phone near to me, you know that.
Yeah.
Flavors in this, you know.
Watch out, it come like restaurant for you going up pot, that's
Yes,
why.
sir. Oh.
Me see you in plan, man.
Yes, you want to pull off on everything.
Yeah, man, I'm my thing you want to pull off. Me see it, man.
Yeah, Rasta, they might look good still.
Tell me about a knife in a pot business, you know.
He never hear, he never hear.
You never hear.
Watch him a run.
me still want to do my pot still.
What is your pot?
You have to boil a pot of caramel pie.
So why you no boil it and we give a grade?
And give me a grade.
Yeah, we give a thumbs up. Me give a thumbs
Me
up.
don't have a problem, you know.
Thumbs up a 5 or 8.
But I time.
Can
I'm
I-
not going to make time for this still. One of them days I'm going to boil it.
Yeah.
But last time, I don't want to take part, brother. I don't want to...
I got me like my thick pipe still. Me like water pipe.
I don't want to take part, brother.
Me can't deal with water pipe, brother. My pipe got to be thick, brother.
I don't eat porridge. I drink my gin porridge.
Tell him again. Tell him again.
I don't eat porridge.
Yeah, me like thick pipe, brother.
Soap, brother. I drink my gin soap. If I call a cup of soap for you,
Alright.
I say
You
no
want
food.
that, yes, you want a good bowl of caramel porridge.
What can-
No.
Yeah, but be more
Between me,
thick.
what you know? You see our soup now? If the soup not rich,
Yeah.
how about a belly?
Here, what you say? If you soup now? If you soup now?
If the soup not rich,
Yeah.
how about a belly there? That belly there?
Which belly? That belly? That belly?
Yo, me no want that. You know like how you see some soup. You stay for a year, so
Yeah.
that not ready yet.
Yeah.
Guess how we soup me yet? You know soup me yet? red pea soup. I hate it.
The best soup that.
What?
The best soup that.
I saying this.
Yo, that's the red pea soup.
Why?
Yo, sometimes when I see it, man, I tell it, it turn me off, man. This is what we for oil when I see on top of it.
In the island of red pea soup.
can't tell me
Rasta.
that, brother.
What Alaska saying? See? Highland of red pea soup.
You know, tell me when I see, brother.
Yeah, but touch a Rasta. Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
you know, you look, I'm not doing the
Rasta, you know them fish are one of my favorite still. Me not like them still, but I'll try the it alone could I get. Yeah, but I'm my favorite. But then again, you use the fire stick, so don't know say flavor go there they said you though. Yeah. Wow. Yes, sir, Rasta. Wow. Different style to the Rasta. You Rasta?
Yeah.
Different style. Another regular every day.
Yeah.
So yeah, do the rest of this tonight? No, I thought the pumpkin.
Pumpkin I will go in there, man.
Just a treat. Oh. Yeah. You know, like this look good though, Michael.
Whoa.
I just a grading part left. No, I not give no grade today.
You see today?
Yeah.
Me I tell her today are the day when me I say, if you not do good,
Yeah.
you have to go down.
Yeah.
You have to go down today. Yeah man, anybody, yo, what you say? That way.
What you said that way?
If you not do good today, you know, you have to go down, you know.
Well, me believe in not giving chances, you know.
You believe in that?
A balloon. I must say
Let
Christmas.
me say something to you. To the amount of chances where you get around this thing here.
You will cover with it.
You see today?
Yeah.
You have to go down if it's not right.
Wait till me put them down.
You can't stay there, man. Yo, look there.
Oh,
Don't look on this.
the Rasta go on right still, cause based on looks, don't look bad. Yeah, man. The man a slap now cover for me, so.
Slap down.
John, no.
Put down the cover.
Alright, so we are clean up some chicken. I'll catch the back. No, just there with the vibes. No, Rasta? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
get
Chicken
the
is
piece
season. Can't leave a food pot unattended, though, Rasta?
I leave this sugar please to attend to nobody.
Yeah.
Unless a cherry.
Cherry alone.
Yeah.
So Rasta. May I
Oh,
whisper,
that's-
may I whisper something now? Say that I left this now and go, please, Cherry and come on.
Right. When I was,
Yeah.
you're mad. You can't
Oh,
do
me
that.
also I know,
You're mad. You stop it,
I whisper, me whisper it, not
you.
you.
Know.
I whisper it, man. Yeah, man, what watch a chicken season up lovely, though. But Rasta, fiddly should have day here.
Me don't understand the general no come, man. I want him,
I
man.
don't know. At that time I wait, man. Yeah, man, so I was checking back though. When the chicken here go up on fire. Well seasoned. Watch out now. See, poor chef, yeah.
Yeah.
You want come on.
That's where it's at.
Come on up, man. You know, see. Come on up, man. See, that broke up.
Yeah, I brought them up there now. Then they flick them so.
Well,
Come on up, man.
Take it out then. But you want to go down more though, man.
go on, go down.
Yeah.
If this go down more,
Take it out.
this is a ton. What you call it, Dalvi?
50.
Fish tea.
Take it out.
Yeah, Rasta. Then so we watch the aisle.
The aisle mine. A little bit of meal just burn the
Alright,
curry.
see.
See it there?
Alright.
No one no more than that.
Alright. Yo, you learn, innit? You come on far away, you know?
We not use oil palm because we not use no oil at all. The water alone can deal with it.
You say fire go chuck out of this like over, sir?
No sir, this is not ready for fire. With the curry, you have the curry spring of fire.
No,
Yeah,
I remember
man,
I can't really cook Rasta, so
Eh?
me ask.
And let me just tell you, Aisha kick off.
You see me, Rasta? Can't
Just
cook,
have
so
to
me
see how
ask.
this start get off.
Gotcha.
No,
Not
I
even,
take, man.
not
There's a
even.
little bit there that me sure that's
Not even like a sizzle.
no salt, make no sound. Because the fire not blaze underneath here.
Yeah, Rasta.
The garlic, that's
He look good, but you know, smell nothing yet.
What you all gonna smell so?
Me say yet, Rasta.
See there?
Yeah.
One base pan and chicken, you put in it, like curry chicken.
Yeah, but remember the island at it?
I will tell you, put it on in
Hold on, sorry. Let me really take Michael interview. What you know about cooking? What you know about cooking,
No,
Michael?
but me just see him, me just see the pot.
So you know, hear the garlic and make nice. I hear that now.
Sorry, my fault.
So let me ask you something now. When you cook porridge, right?
Yeah.
The pot make nice before you put in caramel and stuff?
The pot?
Yeah.
My pot not make nice.
That's what I know.
Ah.
So you go like a big chef today, so I gotta tell the real chef what to do.
No, but me I tell you, say true. He never put in the ring in there yet.
Yeah.
That's why me I say, yo, the pot not hot yet.
Let me hear that I say, cause she say a whisper. What you say?
Me not say nothing. Me not say nothing.
Talk to me now, what you say?
Me not say nothing yet.
More hear what you say.
Like what?
Anything you did I go
I
say.
like pressure people too much.
No, appease the
No,
pressure.
me I say chicken a go in a pot go and go record it.
No, me not record the chicken. Me not record the chicken
Well,
today.
that me that go say.
You sure? You sure?
Yeah man, positive.
Look at like around and say that.
Yeah man, sure. Yo,
Alright.
what any no pressure people.
Alright. Yeah, this look good still Rasta. But you see fireside Rasta? Wicked. That's why you hear them say if you can't take the heat, see out of the kitchen though.
I say now, no love fish, come out of it.
You love?
Love.
After them too much fire.
Can't too much fire.
Yes sir Michael.
That look like got too much fire, brother.
Yeah? Yeah?
What pan man? Yeah, burn up the pot.
So hear me answer.
Can I feed some birds?
Base power going so far, right? What the score line you have in mind?
Today?
Yeah.
You see, based upon where I'm going, when it reach the part where at the testing part, you know,
Yeah.
there's something I'm going to show you. What I want, because if it not work out, man, I have to go down today. You know?
Alright.
I mean,
Alright.
when I go down
Alright.
Me no want to say it today,
Yeah,
but me I going to say it.
yeah.
Me a ball person. You didn't see any size Janzi for me. It's only you alone you see Janzi for.
What Ganzi? What Ganzi?
That's so bad. That not look good. No?
So you really are pre-one like a t-shirt?
The point is, you know,
But
say-
Michael, you're in a
just-
polo. And I didn't say anything about the polo shirt.
Yo.
You know my style say I pull up for days, but
Yeah.
at least me see the Janzi and me I tell you, catch my eye.
Okay.
Me think with that. When me I can make my own story.
I was looking at it too, you know.
You was looking, oh, you see it? You see it? I got somebody with me.
But not in the full way as well you look at it. But I was looking at it.
You was looking at it?
Yes, it caught my attention.
Yeah, because me I said to myself, that, come on.
Yeah, I want all a team, right?
Yeah, and we're all going out to an what do you call it? Adventure? Adventure.
Yeah.
And look at me.
But in due time, trust me.
Yeah, them say nothing before the time.
Not before
Yeah.
the time.
Though.
And maybe that one day, I try it and see how the material look with that something there. Because sometimes you do it and it was.
So me ask you something, you like it?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but listen, I like it, but you see my type of Janzi now,
Yeah.
it's not the round neck.
Oh, you like the V-neck?
Yeah, I like V-neck,
And
and
button
I
up.
like button up. Like,
Oh.
you notice my Janzi is polo? Yeah.
Oh.
Can scan my Janzi as well, you know, because the barcode is there.
Oh, yeah, so zoom in on the barcode.
Okay.
You can do it. You can do it.
Let me see it. You see if no barcode not there, you have to burn it today. Let me see it.
No, look, no.
Hold on.
No, there's a barcode in it.
Michael. The whole world I go see a barcode in this today, man. Hold
you
on. Let me fold along the thing. There's
Come
none.
Look.
There's none.
Which one now look?
There's none, Michael.
Too quick.
There's none.
Nah, look the right
So
place.
this that you have is a China made.
What China mean?
This is a China made today.
You find the barcode, because you contact our
Watch him.
barcode. Them they tell you how to wash it.
Let me see your face now. Look on my camera and talk again. Michael. Mike, watch your. You have ticks.
I
You
wrong
have
place
ticks.
and I looking at.
Oh, wait there.
I wrong place and I looking at.
Where is it?
Which by my look?
I'm looking at your pot. When you find it, I'll get back to you. Come here, Rasta. Michael say, man, look for your barcode, but I get all now. Whoa. Whoa, Rasta.
Yeah.
Rasta, you not touch your hand? Jesus Christ.
Thing Rasta look about it from man, you know, say it a real thing. Not
Yeah.
even Dalvey.
Yeah. Look rich and nice.
You know what this one up on there?
Wait on.
The coconut milk we go and cook it down.
So come with it then, Rasta.
They're already waiting for it.
Alright, come in and leave, you know. And see Delvey stand up like a soldier.
Watch this.
Yeah.
Thing go on.
Look good.
Yeah, pot a bubble. I not sick no trouble.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Ah, watch this now. Me never cut it. Me never cut it. I go in back. Show it barcode.
Can't trick me. No, can't trick me. And I fall and think you're fake. Yeah, who you? Go on side, boy.
Whoa. Right, January. The camera.
There. Sit there. You see, oh, you mean I wear that?
Rasta, you do this and we never there. And we don't answer when you put in the secret.
Who this is that?
None of we never see it.
Secret in there.
What you say though?
Fire burn me there.
No, what you say though?
Lick it off.
Why? Watch that.
mean
That's
why?
me.
If you have so hot and that burning, have lick
Oh, no, I lie. It look good still.
Now here, man.
Look good.
No wrong with doing it.
Oh, so Delphi. You fall in line now. Certain words so now you know.
That's
No, right now you want me about a yellow look.
Hold on, you chocho.
Yeah, get on
Hold on. I'm zooming. Where you happen to you chocho, Delphi?
Yeah, that about.
Where you have yellow look?
The two type of
Not
chocho.
two type of chocho.
Oh, you have yellow chocho and you have white
You have
chocho.
yellow chocho, white and green looking.
Oh.
That we know.
That's what I know.
Yeah, we just want to know.
It can be in Alaska.
What do you mean? Let me tell you.
Rasta, where you say go? What you say?
It can be 3 variety of chocho you have. You have yellow. Eh? Alright, you hear where me get that from? So where you get yellow one from?
What? Listen me, Rasta.
Not that one.
Listen me, man.
Miss
So Natasha, which chocho color them have?
White and green you have.
Green and white.
No.
Alright, you
okay.
hear uncle white and green. No,
Okay.
no
No.
chocho.
Well, I
yellow.
know.
Okay.
And that's why we
She
yo,
said
watch
no
it.
chocho is yellow.
Hold on, Rasta, what you say?
No chocho is yellow. I don't know where Alaska get that from.
Mr. Chocha,
Yeah.
right? Remember you say green
Right.
and you say white.
Right.
Me I tell you, so when more while Rasta, you see the Chocha have that yellow look like that.
The
You know,
outside
like-
eye skin.
Yeah, this I skin me a talk.
The
What
skin we a talk.
what you think me a talk about?
Yeah, man, pass. Which chocho you not talk about though?
Brother.
This the Chocha that grew up on the vine, brother.
Actually, which chocho you know about?
Brother,
Which one you know,
brother,
Martin?
the one on the vine me a talk about, brother.
Which one
Hold on,
you know?
hold on.
Sometimes the skin yellow,
What you say,
brother.
Rasta?
Mr. Walla, me ask you one question from the Martel TV.
Yeah.
Which one you know?
Alright, man, I'll leave that for the comment section.
No, in the comment section. You the on the comment section, you know, so you should have know the right one to tell we.
And you
Come-
should the Africa now.
Eh, eh.
Because you're the Africa.
Africa, you're there.
Hold
now.
on, you talk too much now. I'll catch up on this. What you want to say? Let me zoom into you.
You're the Africa.
And
now.
ask about chocho.
And I ask about chocho.
And
What
I
kind
like
of
chocho
chocho
there.
you talk about?
Eh, and I find
You're not for the
chocho.
Africa.
How am I for there?
No, man,
Egypt.
you're for the somewhere.
If it's Egypt.
You're for the Jerusalem.
No man, not even Jerusalem. You know it's fine for that. You know it's fine for that. In for that the place named Asia.
Hold on, what is that? Let me get us close up.
Yeah, sure.
Mama tell you for the Asia. you want to hear again?
Yeah.
The definition?
Yeah.
You for the Asia. You shouldn't be in Africa.
Where?
You shouldn't be in Africa.
Yeah.
But by different things, still you should be Africa.
Why?
You can't have so much why for Africa. Everything we can't. We have to put filter for our mouth, brother. Why?
Alright, I go filter this. That's very something. Yes, sir.
No, me I say your chicken is soft.
Oh, so you have problem you know?
No,
So you do this or that, I see it, you know, mix it thick. Mix it water, see there?
Well, yeah, that little water then I go kill it. But nothing like a real coconut, though, that's
Yeah, me that.
real native.
that's that. Yeah, that's what tell you this, you know. But me I go tell you too. See next time I forward over here or nothing. Me no want to see no bag.
What kind of
Me
bag?
no want to see no coconut. Me no want to see
Oh,
no...
them yeah?
You don't want to see no superpower milk?
You don't want to see
me no
superpower,
want to see them,
and them boy bring superpower.
Where, sir? So, who hear me ask you now?
Hear me now. A Martel can superpower come the Rasta for use 9 man. Because I don't know, so that we carry the coconut and make she left it out of her yard. just to use it.
Alright, watch
Just
out,
to
you know,
use
watch
it out
out,
there.
no, watch out, no, cause watch out, shopping going on.
Yeah.
Might as well let it go for you, goat not in my car.
You not go to that shop. Shop over there, today.
Oh,
Shop over here, everything
but
over here.
you not follow
You know, so I could have can.
follow me.
You see everything?
Dalvey.
Tell me
Yeah.
say shop there, you better follow me.
Me could have contest dog. Me I go now win today.
Curry soup.
Curry chicken.
Curry soup.
No soup, none of this.
That's how I add some dumpling in that now.
You want some dumpling?
Rasta, you dumpling. That body night, you know.
I don't know about that part there, no. This
Wait.
is,
Alright, so
you know what
Dalvey.
this one now?
Wait one.
White rice. When it done.
I get yes fresh see me.
Where say what?
Fresh.
Get Dalvey say.
Yes fresh see me.
Alright. Fresh Rasta.
No, man.
More on purpose.
Salt in there, man.
Let me taste it.
Taste me, yeah.
Yes weak man.
No, man. It's dead no, man. That you no cook down yet, man.
See where?
You not taste the salt? Ah, what?
Rasta, let me taste it. Let me taste this thing.
Salt in there, man.
Alright, see it, yeah?
Just say one next pepper. And wash off the next pepper. Put it.
No, you don't want no more salt.
No, I want
You want pepper?
Pepper.
things yes weak to me though.
No, sir. I mean, your unit
Dalvey.
get weak, you know. So you come out with the unit 16 week for a man, so man, that's still weak. You need to get strong.
Better lucky say them must have fear now this year.
You're lucky, said Terry there. I'm sorry for you today.
You know I'm going.
You say one eye pan on Rasta.
You know what I got. One more things.
No, I want nothing more than you.
Wow.
More than me.
Fidua? Why?
I want nothing more than around me. Well, you have to go ask question. That's question to do.
Yeah.
You have to ask permission. At school you have to go.
But Rasta, me I tell you, see by the time this forward down,
Yeah.
it'll go nice, yeah. Anytime, if it forward down,
I'm talking already, man. Don't worry yourself. See,
yeah. Yeah.
You say you don't want the pepper in there, make sure you put the pepper in there. Everything in there.
Coconut curry
Everything
soup.
green men's in there.
Yeah, we are smelling party now.
You're Dalvey, so I get you now.
That'll be nothing. Can't limit nothing more now. Watch this. 2 times.
Dalvey, me on forward, me there for left. Where go on? Where go on?
It'll come to come.
It'll come to come. Mm.
It'll come to come.
Mm. Natasha, what you say?
Perfect already.
Oh yeah, run.
Let me make you see it. See it there?
Alright. Whoa, touch this Rasta.
I cover style you for that touch doing now.
The cover,
Yeah,
no,
touch
that
it
hot,
again.
that hot.
Oh,
That hot. But this look good, Rasta. The smell look. Hold on, make it close up. Yes,
How many green men's that smell you?
oh, it smell me?
Yeah, in green men's them.
Based on looks.
Looks at the
Listen, me
green
no
men's them
Rasta,
come
based
out.
on looks, me I give you 10 for this.
Yeah, past 10.
But you see, you know, say my grade and so simple little grade
Yeah,
in the
grade
Rasta.
all small years grade.
Hold on. Wait, say I buy a
Carrot
small.
down in that.
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Everything in there.
What you say, Dalvey? What you say, Dalvey? Yeah, alright, alright, I catch you, man.
The food is going on, don't want it. Chicken curry.
Well, Rasta, I'm a high, me have to close to the smoke and burn.
Smoke or steam?
Smoke, that smoke, yeah.
Don't make this sketchy.
Watch out on Rasta.
Breadfruit then.
Breadfruit, then ready.
Ready.
I like
So,
to
breadfruit
watch
and-
out, Rasta. I like to splash a curry there, so.
Pan the breadfruit?
Wow.
They're not no good feet. The thing go and soak in, that means so you not get it everything soak in. You see it and mellow in.
Yeah.
You see it? Like how Dalvey unit 16 big for man.
Ufa?
With
Dalvey, yeah.
When she get this breadfruit and light.
So, Rasta.
Entire roast breadfruit and feel it, so.
Yeah.
Light, it's ready. But when it's heavy in your hand, it need to fire.
So, Rasta,
Yes, I am.
when they say breadfruit make you covered, right?
I like that.
So when we eat this today,
We
covered.
can't cover that braver.
More
More brave this way I get to mash up this channel.
Yeah.
One Martel TV, up
Yeah.
and running, prescribe.
Yeah. One Dalvey, though.
One Dalvey. I'm the sister. You know she name her? You can't remember your name, you know?
Cause she not talk.
Natasha.
You not remember her name. She not
Natasha.
talk.
Natasha,
Yeah.
you have to go write your name for me, what? My chest.
Yeah.
So we can remember it
Yeah.
and digest.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, Dalvey, I have to go get some bravery soap.
And that we have to get some bravery.
Bravery soap.
My heart.
Say you want, I want to write my name
I want
across
to
your heart.
know the world to know. Oh, yeah.
You want the world to know? Okay. No problem.
Right, cross your
away
chest,
from the Martel
Rasta.
TV, subscribe, up and running. See it there? Let me show you now. Curry, see it there? And a curry goat today now, curry chicken. Make you see it.
We don't
For
have
the
steamed
curry
fish.
goat,
Rasta, so why you hear me I say? Why you never escovitch down your fish?
we don't want escovitch fish.
You see,
The fish
Rasta,
can't
you know
get
why
es-
me don't escovitch the
No,
fish?
hear me now.
You hear me I say? You know
Yeah,
why
yeah.
me don't why me don't do that?
Yeah.
Cause them say fish If you have pepper, any fish you don't have pepper, you don't have to eat it.
What pepper in that?
I want to know still.
Pepper in any.
I seriously I got judge, I want to know.
Pepper
Like
in
pepper
all
in
of
that, I can't go, I not go
Yo.
consume it.
Them the type of fish there.
Yeah. Swim away.
I swim away there after steam down. Them not enough to scrub it. You scrub it big fish.
But you agree with what I said, though?
You have to scrub it
Me I talk about the pepper pan them
Then the
thing.
pepper in the pan or the bar.
If the pepper in the pan, did I eat it?
Same way.
Yeah, you mad, why?
Remember saying no, we get so influential on the media and the youths them now connected so much to the media now that a lot of things are putting out there now. It's an impact. That's why I come back around to say now that me see what the teacher say and thing and we know what the SYM thing mean.
What it mean? What it mean?
Me not-
Save your money it mean for me.
No.
What it mean for you?
You don't have to say that on the channel.
Martel, don't no bother pressure me for go there. So just
What it mean for you?
come change the point.
Me not change the point.
Yes,
Me I talk what the
watch
SYM
out
mean
now,
for me.
Watch out now. Watch out now. You see you?
Mm.
You look like you.
No, no, me and me.
Well,
You are
no
you.
man. Well, no man. As much
No,
as,
can't hold on a man.
Well,
Why?
you see. It not give me a chance to bring me point across.
Alright, speak.
And that's why I know, even though me not no pick me or not like that,
Mm-hmm.
and thing, you look like you would really be a good father.
Let me zoom up close and repeat that again.
Because me a drive to teach you them something.
Still looking at my camera when you talk. Nobody run, man. You run and go.
Because me a try to bring the right point across to the youth them. Because remember, say, regardless of we are joke and things, still now we still have to put fun and joke aside.
And teach
You get
youth
to-
them the right.
And teach youth them the right
Exactly.
thing. You understand me? We might tell you say SYM rare.
What it mean?
Brethren, just yo,
Calm
just
yourself.
cut the video. Yeah?
No.
Cut-
More.
cut it right
No,
there,
let me
because
sit down and lie right there.
pressure
That's
me
so.
to put-
More you talk what it mean. Because remember
Brother.
enough people still don't know what it mean.
Brother,
And me give my...
who no know,
Enough people. Enough people don't know. And enough people still don't know Rasta.
Well, we don't
Well,
want to tell them.
well, what you know no?
We don't have to tell them.
We don't have to tell them, but
Yeah,
here we go. Here we
Let
go.
them Google it up and go find it for themselves. Easy
Yeah,
as that.
that's the point.
Right.
Yes, right. And that me just that go say. Done it now, we done right.
Yeah, if you done. More I hear your meaning before
You
I
don't
cut my
tell
camera.
your-
No,
meaning
me not gonna
already.
talk the meaning, me that go say.
Because my meaning is save your money. So what is your meaning?
Yo, you just go out there, man.
Rasta, what
Just
is the
go out.
meaning?
What is the meaning?
Yeah.
Go and Google it up and see what it means. I don't respond to that type of word in our Martel TV channel. You go and Google and see what it means, and then you can know and prescribe and tell you what's going on.
I agree with
I
you.
hear me,
Yeah,
peeps.
man,
When
because
you run,
that's
go over
what-
Dalvey and subscribe
Go
and
and
ask her what
Google.
that's what you mean.
And see what it means.
Let me sit down. Where you say I catch Rasta?
Swim away.
No, me here.
Fish pot.
Ja,
Let me
ja,
just
ja.
cook the fish in now. Because you all that talk about what is it there? You want to see me say it want to go down?
Go down.
Yeah.
Go down, go away.
He
You know,
good,
see,
man,
if you see
Rasta.
a match, something, them a match
He
up
good,
Rasta.
man.
You alright?
He good, man. What you worry about? What you worry about, Rasta?
Worry, I never be worried yet when
Yeah.
I doing nothing.
Yeah.
See there? 2 fruit apang I've known.
Fruit or who, Rasta?
Breadfruit.
No, the fruit, what name?
Fruit apang we call it.
First, me the name the
That's what we
still.
call breadfruit. Fruit apang.
You miracle that
Yeah,
name
man,
there.
so see that the
You
man
know,
they
it
call-
has breadfruit
We
and
call
bread.
it fruit apang. The man they say a coward food, but this can't make you coward.
Come in.
Come in. See there? All breadfruit to make you coward.
Yeah.
Which part I...
No, maybe I true from slavery days.
But that me know nothing about no slavery because no man can slave me. No time at all. Me work to me limit and stop. You
No
can't
more.
force me. No, sir.
Mm.
I cook the goat, Martel do the rest of thing there. Me yeah. Want to deal with the goat.
Tell you what me that want the Rasta. Me ever say that we do some pumpkin dumpling or anything there?
A great titan and
Yeah, that one do.
I want to take pumpkin dumpling.
That's your one.
Yeah.
Pumpkin dumpling with the carrot.
Yeah.
The carrot.
Cause me
like-
see them a give us some nice grade over. I say yes, that food is nice. Me want grade you. To see if this really nice.
Dalvey, Martel, one channel TV, up and running, Rasta go open the chicken pattern now, we curry down with the superpower thing, Peter. Right down to right
Rasta,
there.
watch out. Me I give you a close up.
Close up, Dalvey.
Me-
Come in, night, Dalvey.
Me see flavors on this.
You see flavors pan it? And you see bubbling pan it?
No, why?
You see bubbling pan it?
No, nothing can bubble pan
See
nothing
that
again.
bubble?
Dalvy,
Pot bubble.
Dalvy, look at my
Pot
camera.
bubble.
Nothing can bubble pan where you go eat.
Yeah, pot.
Look at my camera.
Yes, cause it's a bubble
There's
now.
a bubble now. And you not seek no trouble.
It look good still.
This no seek trouble, you know?
Yeah, it
Oh,
look good.
Alright, lift
Straight
him up,
bubbler.
lift him up, boy.
Dalvi, you know, be honest in about everything good. Everything good.
You just want me to say what you ask.
Everything good.
Yeah.
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 So Rasta, before we consume this thing,
Watch this.
right?
We could have make all this go and warm up, you know, because it's cold, you know.
What you say though?
Cold.
Go and put it on the...
So Rasta, go on and forward. Dave, right, take the camera for you.
So hard to them wash up there. When you can't wash up, that's what I do.
Yeah guys, but you know, meanwhile, breadfruit don't know say so though. Chicken look good. Hey Rasta, nah lie no.
Yeah.
The chicken look good in the youth.
Chicken have to look good.
To me, based on looks, right?
No looks alone.
Listen me now man, me not taste it. Based on looks, right? This a chicken look like one of the best. You do so far. Me don't know yet.
I must see two squid in there.
Boy, what
Hold on. Oh, yo. Oh, what you say? What you say, Dalvi? Yes, sir, squid there.
Let me ask you a question. All the way me I look but all the way, you know, look the best.
Hold on, Rasta. All Dalvi there, that girl.
You know, the whole of one day now. They want to roll and look like that.
Yeah.
You may I tell you.
But as me I say, Rasta.
What to
The
the
chicken-
chicken, man? Where's Squidly there?
No, he
Call
tell me.
him Squidly.
He say him having work for deal it, so you can't kill him
I
for
know
that
you
though.
are-
Said like, oh, you have your work for do there, you could have found over Dalvi.
Probably I say go. See,
Yeah.
you see it though.
Mhm.
So I don't know vexation over no goat.
Let's check a quick look.
Just like that. Natasha, you know,
Good
come with
still.
the video. Or you know have it.
Bad we bad.
You know, take a gun,
So,
stick your
anyways,
cigar,
Dalvi.
smiling look.
Dalvi I go share you now though.
See it?
Swear God.
Dalvi gonna come on so Dalvi.
Yeah.
So you have to do. See it there?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
what me have it there.
Yeah, you can.
So Dalvi I go peel the beetroot them.
No.
No, me not feel the better.
Need to
See,
be better.
yeah, peel it for her.
Rasta sort out the thing. Just a warm up back the fish pan the fire.
Why?
It's
Swim
fish
away,
we
swim
dealing
away.
Come back with this.
Swim away.
Hey, see,
You know, Sir
I-
Dalvi, big man thing. Let me give you your interview now. Big man thing. This is the last day I go teach you know the real thing. Certain words can't say. In this culture over there.
And the culture that you have is fish it name. No swim away.
me
That
not-
he swim from you, you can't get him back.
Me
Can
not
you
see-
hold a fish in your hand?
Yeah, but say,
And he
see, I
swim
don't
out
see
of
you
your hand.
going or coming.
Oh, you won't catch him.
I don't see you going or coming. Come,
Alright.
feel the better.
Forward in. Bad way bad. My Rasta you peel is like a orange. Your Rasta? You peel is like a orange man.
So if you go some my time, because I want to destroy that now.
Fedora.
The whole breath will tell Trevor.
So how we are all now here?
You don't want to touch it with my hand after me doctor, so
Just turn it upside down after you're done that side there though.
upside down.
Yeah.
Let's show you the style.
Yeah, good.
Make sure no black no on the back. Aisha.
Yeah. Body, Rasta. Rasta, let me sit down too. Cause I know I feel like a captain, so I go hold a seat, right? Based on the smell, right? Feel like I go get about a 9 or a 10 today, you know?
Pass over there, square from
No. Remember the school. Rasta, listen me now.
Yeah.
You have the members right now. The thing start from 1 to 10, right?
Yeah.
So how you got to meet pass over
Oh,
there?
let me tell you why I pass it.
Yeah.
From the challenge start until now, I'm up on it. It grew past that long time.
Alright, so hear me son Rasta. What we gonna link up Dalvi?
Yeah.
Now next vlog, right?
When we look Dalvi,
How much you feel me I go get for my
you can't
grade?
reach millions.
For my grade, though.
You can't get millions.
Son, that just
and
tell
me,
me.
I go get millions to my grade because you just have to cook over Dalvi. We have cook long time.
As I say already, you know,
And say it again.
I'm going to say it again, you know.
Right,
If it's up to my standard,
right.
you get him 10 out of 10, but if it's not,
Dog
Maria,
not in supper.
So what is your standard?
somebody have to come down.
What's your standard though?
That's my standard.
Yes.
Food for nice. And food for look after, proper.
Right.
Yeah, man. Because food me deal, you know, me not deal with nothing else. Food. Food.
So Michael, as how you don't support my restaurant then? The food are nice then?
Your restaurant?
Yeah.
You know, the same time me come to your restaurant, I one thing I order do.
What?
And basically, when I come here always, I sell me out.
What do you mean sell you out?
Because me tell you, say this me want. And when I come, sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. You force me to take something else.
So where you get no nice then?
Me never say that. Me I tell you,
Oh, repeat that word. We get a close up. You never did that?
I did not say that.
What you're saying, Michael, you put your tongue between your teeth and say that.
That's what I said.
Right.
So look.
Yeah.
And every time I come there, me think you know me I come about. So just put on my own aside.
That's true.
Yeah, cause me
But
me
I
love
want
it.
what I want to say, Michael, some of the time the pressure make me not even remember.
The pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause basically when we just open this restaurant, you know, whenever I think say it will go so far to
You never think.
me?
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, me not think it will go so far. Based upon people wise.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
hear me I say, Michael, you see if you follow people, you don't reach nowhere in life, right?
That's a code, cause me I do my thing and I not respond to people.
Alright.
Yeah, man,
Look upon you as a taxi driver now. Remember say, are you run the route, you know? When people see you, they're scared, you know, man.
Oh God, oh God. People stand up and wait and
That's why I know say anything we do and say I've God in it,
yeah man.
everything is alright, right?
Yeah man. Faith are the thing to you know, brother. I have faith to you know. Yeah. Cause we put on this and we never have a dull moment, yeah.
Never.
Never.
You know why? We do this from our heart, that's something we love. Remember say we not do this for no money, no clout, no nothing, right?
Yeah. Yeah man. From the heart to do this man.
Mm-hmm.
And we start from what? Zero.
Alright, you remember the first vlog we do? It was me and you alone with some curry chicken back and some dumpling, you remember?
Of course.
I remember that first vlog, you never end up getting none. So you did leave.
Which is
Alright,
right.
alright.
Which is right. Yeah.
And you're still amongst it no matter what, though.
No matter what the circumstances, yeah, me are there right through like Chucky. Yeah man, a zero we start from two, you know.
Alright.
Zero. Yeah, so I tell you, I'm proud of me today me there.
Yeah,
25th of May.
yeah.
I'm proud of me.
True, man.
Martel Adventure TV.
Yeah.
I say man. Proud of me man.
Real way, man.
Yeah man. I'm not stop doing it.
Cause even this morning, when me see her call me 5:30, me want know what happen. Never know so I vlog you want forward pan. That's why I have to respect anything. You never have to call me neither, you know.
Me never?
So you see when you show up me, me respect that.
Alright.
5, cause me think say boy I something happen to me, I have to go carry go hospital at 5:30.
Why that come cross?
No, cause remember certain early call when
Yeah,
you get it.
yeah, me
You
agree.
remember you go say something bad at me now.
Yeah, me agree. Yeah. I'm respect for that still. Yeah. You know you answer your phone. Yeah man, respect for that man.
Yeah.
One Martel Adventure TV man. Nah, stop do it man. I'm out.
Yeah.
Looking super good.
Yes, I just look good.
You not taste it, no?
You know, see I'm going to get all covered. Oh, your chair share birth make you covered, son.
Only if I'm out there today, no, so you don't know anything, go. I'm going to share with caution.
So that means that then there's a whole heap of out there, right?
Yeah.
What pop spray then?
That means that when you hear my square feet low and 3 is my give my low grade, it's correct then?
You know, so I'm not focus on the great thing.
You see you?
I
You
just
see
try
you?
Focus on make sure everybody eat.
Me I go tell if me pray me tell lie, me I drink.
What you say, Nelka?
Man pray.
Can't afford to pray. Anybody can do it.
Yeah, anybody can do it,
You
but
are
just
free.
ask if I volunteer.
You know, Let's go
You
and
going to do it?
The scissor guy not do.
You going to do it?
Michael, may I beg you please, do your prayer. Please? Please?
No, I'm not do it from one, right?
We need a solid
You
prayer.
want one, huh?
Listen me now. We need a solid prayer from the wall.
Alright.
The walls.
Alright, you are going.
Alright, well, I'm coming. I want to cover up this one. No,
Alright, I'm going to just.
Michael, you have prayer or Delvia deal
That's
with?
never just do it for me now.
So I'm going to save him. I'm going to take you out now.
Here, Rasta. This look good.
I can't come over before we
Yeah, man, we can't make no fly.
Wait, hold on. What you say,
Oh,
Nelka?
we are there, shit.
What you say?
Yeah.
No, me I say when we go Lime Key go have a cookout Martel style, what is the problem?
Oh, that you say.
Alright.
That's one to talk about. You know, the time, right? Alright,
Real
reverence.
thing where I use when I do.
Alright, reverence now.
Alright,
Reverence.
reverence there. Alright. So, as we gather here today, much I such an eternal Father in heaven, we give thanks for life, we give thanks for health, we give thanks for strength. So as we come to you today as sinners, we ask for forgiveness of our sins. We ask that you forgive us. Forgive those who trespasses against us. We ask that you bless this food, let this food be of nourishment to our body. And bless all who are gathered here again for me, please. bless this food again in your precious name, Jesus Christ. I pray.
Amen.
Amen. And the one channel,
Jesus.
Martel TV.
Alright.
So also me a sinner. Straight.
Where's the Nelka? They say all of us are sinners.
All of us have sinned and come short.
Where's the Michael?
All have sinned
Yeah.
and come short of the glory of God.
So why you never pray?
You never work about that.
If I have today, I drop.
Where's the farm?
Dal,
Listen to it here.
yes, I go eat fish.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
I
Chair.
eat fish.
I just want to know.
Yeah.
This is a fish.
Now give no fish head.
Kiss that, kiss that. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here. Where just do?
Yo, why is it eating food?
Rasta, where you say
Carry
that
that
something?
some fat, no?
Where you say something about fish?
Fish?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with the fish.
Oh, I just want to know. Michael, me I fall for your review right now. How it come down?
Let's say go on.
Today,
Yeah.
based upon this, so me eat it right now.
Yeah. Don't take too long.
See the breadfruit?
Yeah.
Go.
Alright.
See the fish? I tell them I don't know what's going on with the fish, but what you know? The fish mash out, man.
Wait, hold on. What you say?
I know me.
You see the fish?
Yeah.
The fish mash out.
Let me see it. No, you know if you say so, it's not bad. It's doing bad.
Yeah, but normally
You see you know? That's why I know say in life I mean give the true review them, you know. The fish don't mash out.
No.
Anyways, talk where you talk still.
You see, differently upon the little thing, yeah? The gravy and them something, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, God, man.
yeah. Nice.
Last time I give you a 9 out of 10
Yeah,
for my one.
yeah.
Yeah, me I
But me
tell
not
you,
lie, it look good.
look good.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I give you a 9 out of 10 today.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah. Let's see this Rasta. Rasta, you did a big old fork,
Yeah,
man?
no, it's one.
Let me see.
Lick one.
Watch out. Yeah, big fork.
Big fork today for me.
Yeah. Yeah. How it going?
It go on good for me.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The fork will come.
Yeah. Go on, good Rasta. Bad your bad.
Yo, we got curry chicken with the thing now.
With the coconut.
The super power, it's what now?
Yes, a superpower milk.
Bad.
Yeah.
Coming up.
But, yeah, Rasta, but nah, like, you see you cooking? Clean and pretty, though.
Where's it going?
The super power, yeah.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yes, Nelka.
Fish?
Yeah.
Alright. Could have liquor, but you know.
Could have liquor, what? More, no.
Curry bad.
Yeah,
The curry up.
yeah,
Breadfruit, alright. I want good 7.5, me give, man.
yeah. Fish you don't want top up.
Yeah, the other half I catch it up because I don't have no fork.
Oh. They say finger licking good still, say first one is a finger.
See there, me is 9.5 now. See there,
Yeah.
9.5 him is.
Yeah,
Just tap him up just now.
yeah,
Yeah, 9.5 him then, okay.
yeah. Body bad.
Seriously.
Yes, man, you going well.
Yeah, but don't give him 8 out of 10 for chicken and next 2 go to bedfoot, because 2 bedfoot are white heart.
Yeah. Yeah, eating food.
I'm not yet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
eat
what I
him.
eat?
Yeah, eat the Rasta then.
No, I'm not yet, Rasta.
Oh, no.
So I want for breadfruit.
Breadfruit. It can go on, but the only thing is that I'm not yellow heart. But we are work with it still.
So talk to me about the fish now.
The fish?
The swim away, please.
I'm taking fun, you know.
That's it. You can't eat food and you look so ignorant. The food not nice. I tell you.
Yo, I trick camera in the back. Wake up, tell me, wake up.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah. So
So
fish,
how much
fish,
out of 10?
so that's it. Fish is salt. Oh, why?
Yo, may I give fish a 5 scale?
Eh?
I give it a 5.
Yeah, Rasta. Oh, you know the name, eh? Yeah. bad, you're bad. That's your idiot, you know?
Mercy.
Yeah,
Yo. You go on.
yeah,
You go on, no, man.
yeah.
Go and go where?
Go on.
I really feel like you.
Yo, you just go on, no, brother, man.
Yes, Dalvey.
Mercy.
So, where's
Subscribe and like and share and comment. Oh.
Yeah, man, subscribe to Martel Adventure TV. What go on, Dalvey? You don't know where out here do it, you know?
What, yeah, we'll heap more link up for going, though.
Yeah, man, definitely.
One day we have a bingo, right?
Mm. We'll heap a different style. Some, oh, we go? On the key, them said, oh.
Mm.
Yeah.
Our next adventure.
No, we'll link up Dalvey first over Portland.
And then there's
Where both land. Yeah, then we'll go up on the key.
not bad.
We'll do some curry. You call it?
Say 5? Just so
Just
five.
Dalvey, yeah, for real. Let me get closer. I want to see the fish first.
Alright. Alright.
The
Alright. Alright. Alright.
what you say? We are cut, guys. We are cut. We are cut.
Chicken nice. Yeah, man, chicken nice.
Yeah, chicken
go
nice.
bun.
But Dalvey, you want 5 for swim away this, alright? Me can't get that because I don't eat fish. Right?
Yeah.
But yeah, the chicken, pepper, right? And taste flavors though. So Rasta, I give him a 9 for this today. Because it should have more. Okay, it's small. A Dalvey here still, but it's small. But I give him a 9 today. Flavors are gone.
So you did expect say with 2 breadfruit with so much people like
I want to tell you, say, you know, I did for buy more breadfruit. And Fiddly I tell me say not buy no more because this can feed the crowd. But I look at it today now. Him not there here.
and the
I
crowd
mean, I
and the
get
crowd
backlash.
enough, don't it?
Yeah, I watch it. I mean I get the backlash for her and this I know. But it will go on sale. But for the next link up, I catch you over Dalvey place again though.
Don't it?
Some curry goat, oh Dalvey?
Yeah.
And some command fall. Yeah, as I say command fall, you know, say I have a family that give me 2 command falls, so I bring them to Portland.
So
Rasta tell me last time, say command fall,
Mm.
you need nail in it. So I walk it 2 nail to
2 rusty nail.
Yeah,
2 rusty nail.
Yeah, when Dalvey are dealing.
yeah. Alright.
They say bad you bad.
Now found for up your table, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, the hell you had up on your table,
Boy,
Oh,
yeah.
you tell Rasta
Yes, sir.
say you never eat.
Yeah.
Oh, you tell Sticky Man
Don't say you never eat, boy.
Oh, your girl come on road, come late.
Yeah.
So you had to eat that right, you come late. Me say full for your table,
boy.
Yeah. Michael, where's it going?
I feel what?
You're stealing it. How much you give Rasta?
Eh?
How much you give Rasta?
You know, say me not tell a lie, me give Rasta a 9.
So how you doing that pot again and tear down this?
You see where I go on now?
Yeah.
100.
Me not tell a lie.
Yeah.
Pass it.
It passed that the boy, me I give me up to 100 Rasta. Solid, yeah?
Yeah.
Come here, Rasta, solid.
Yeah.
Hey. You see fish, Rasta? Eh? You know eat fish?
Hold on, catch you. Tell him again.
I pay fat me.
No fish. So anyways, what you say now? What you say?
Sweetie, so what the difference between spot and fish?
Oh, but for that scale, man.
Where you say? Where you say?
But that one out of scale.
Fish a one.
Huh?
Fish a one.
Fin.
Hey, what is it? Fish have a fin.
Yeah.
Yeah. A sprat have a scale.
Oh,
Yeah. So what you are eating that dish?
Fish. Don't be say porous, man.
Yeah. I could get piece side.
Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on.
yeah.
Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on. Months and week, me asleep and pouring on. Be the pretty girl, them pass I ignoring on. Call to them, they no pay me no mind, you know. Do I want to, no me gone pan tour, you know. Gyal a lip on with a gyal a lip on door, you know. Gyal a sleep on bed, a gyal a sleep on floor, you know. Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on me. Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on. Never wanna bus on me, never wanna carry no. Wanna bicycle long go carry to wheel, you know. On my way, me I go a pour us, you know. Buck a little girl by the name of Tamar, you know. Beg me and ride for me bicycle bar, you know. When she sit down and preach she ride off, you know. Look up on the front with the front face off, you know. Set to Tamar, just kindly ease off, you know. Back a iron quick like a washy war, you know. Look out at the road now, me not a radio car, you know. Looking at me face, you know, I be no scar, you know. Funny day me buy me a real superstar, you know.
Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on.
Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on.
On Florida, me the pretty girl them pass I ignore, you know.
You sure?
Talk to them, they no pay me
You
no
know,
money,
you know.
Do I want to, no me gone pan
tour, you know.
Girl a sleep a bed, a girl a sleep on
Florida.
Girl a live a with a girl a live on
Florida. Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on. Pouring on me, pouring on me, pouring on.
In here.
Wait, name, come in, Screech. Wait, name. I get a close up. Wait, name. Wait, name.
In here. And this a come for. I mean a work a hard way and lumber. And when you get up and a fling back over. Girl, I think you're jealous over. Where you come from?
So, Rasta.
Yeah.
What you say?
Eh?
What you say now? Close off, though.
Close off.
yeah.
The next project where we deal with in the next episode on the One Martel TV. Down at Valvey Town. Straight there, so we have a Portland.
Yeah. Portland, Portland, though.
All Martel TV channel. All road lead to Portland. The next one, cooking channel. It's a Rasta there. Portland with them.
Yeah.
Up and running. Prescribe.
Straight.
Love.
You say I forward Rasta, though.
Yeah, man, I have to live my Giga, man. Because it's a nice vibe. Because watch them, really and truly, you see them things you want to go on with,
Yeah.
it's a good thing.
Yeah, right.
Motivate some youth. You see when some youth can come together and we have a food and eat and we drink together, it's a unity.
Yeah.
And it's a unity, a strength.
Yeah. That
Yeah,
is
man,
it.
and that is it, brother, man.